Good morning po sa lahat. Other video about derivatives. So mayroon tayong iba-ibang rules for use for derivatives, no? First is the chain rule. Okay? Ano ba yung chain rule? So derivatives, ito yung formula. Sa derivatives sa F and du, derivatives sa u respect to x. So what is this formula? Example for that is dx, example 4x cubed minus 8 equals to 2, 5. Okay. So, we use this chain rule para pag hindi natin mag-use ng chain rule kasi 5 ang exponent, so 5 din yung terms, so mataas. So, gagawin din rin natin dito yung chain rule. Okay. So, let u, ito 4x 3 minus 8. Okay. So dito tayo sa function sa u equals to u is 5, diba? Ito yung u. So, 5. So, ang ux equals to, yan, 4x 3 minus 8. Yan ang ux. So, hanapin natin yung derivatives with respect to x. Okay? So, ano yung formula? Using this formula, so du the derivative sa u 5, ito du. Okay, d over dx. So ano yung that is 4x minus 8. Okay, so derivative sa u 5, that is multiply yung 5, that is 5 minus 1, tapos derivatives dito. Ano ba yung derivative? So 3 times 4, 3 times 4 x to the 3 minus 1 to get is 0. Okay, so 5 ay yung 4. Okay, so multiply siya. That is 12 x squared. Okay. So multiply dito, that is 12 times 5, that is 60 x squared. Ang u, ano yung u? Ito yung u. U. So 4x u minus 8. Okay. So yan ang answer natin. Okay, the second rule for derivatives, that is product rule. Product rule. So, ano yung sa product rule? Example, d over dx if g. So, kung dalawa na siya, dalawang term, that is j multiply sa derivative sa f with respect to x plus f, copy lang, and then derivative sa j. Okay? So, example for that. Example natin is, okay, derivative sa dx 2 to x squared minus 10 times 3x cubed minus 5. Okay? So, dalawa na siya, no? So, using this formula, so, ito yung J, F, ito yung J. Yan, no? So, use the formula J, that is 3x cubed minus 5 times derivative sa F. Anong derivative? So, multiply na natin. 2x, that is 2 minus 1. And then, plus, ano yung F? Ito. So, 2x squared minus 10 multiply sa derivative sa J. Ano yung derivative? So, 3 times 3, that is 3x 3 minus 1. Itong 5 or 1 is 0 yan pag derivatives, no? So, multiply natin, that is 4x. So, 1 na siya. 2 minus 1 is 1. And then, 3x cubed minus 5. Ito din, plus 9. X, that is 3 minus 1, that is squared. Multiply sa 2x squared minus 10. Okay? So, yan ang answer. Yan kung product rule siya. So, based sa formula. Okay? So, the third rule, meron tayong chain rule, product rule. Ang the next is quotient rule. Okay? Ano yung quotient rule? Ano yung formula? So, example, D derivative sa X, A, and J. Sa baba. So, ang formula is J derivative sa F with respect to X minus copy din ng F tapos derivative sa J with respect to X over J squared. G yan, hindi 9. J. G as in good. So, example for that is ito. So, derivatives. Next. Example. x3 plus 4x squared minus 3 over x cubed plus a minus 2. Okay? So, yan. So, using this formula, ito yung F, ito yung J. No? So, sa base sa formula, J natin is x. So, x cubed minus 2. And then, derivative sa F. Ano yung F? Ito yung F. Ito yung J. The derivative sa F, that is 3x, that is naging squared. No? Tapos multiply din to 2 times 4, that is 8, and then x na lang. Okay? Minus F. So, copy ang F. X cubed minus 3. And then, derivative sa J. And derivative sa J. So, F. Tapos, derivative sa J. So, ano yung derivative sa J? That is 3x. 3 minus 1, that is 2. Over. Yung J is ito. So, squared. X cubed minus 2 squared. That is a formula. No? So, this is it. So, multiply lang natin. So, x dito is multiply lang. So, 3x to the 5th. Kasi 3 at saka 2. Tapos, plus 8x to the 4th. Ito na naman yung negative. So, negative 6x squared. Negative 2 times negative, that is 16x. Ito na naman, multiply dito. So, minus 3x to the 5th. Okay, 2 plus 3. Tapos 3 times 4, that is minus man siya. So, minus 12. X to the 4th. 2 plus 2, that is 4. Tapos 3 times 3, that is negative. So, negative siya. So, naging positive. So, plus 9x squared. Okay? So, over x cubed minus 2 squared. Okay. So, equals. So, 3x of 1. So, cancel siya, no? 8 of 12. So, minus 4 x to the 4. 12 minus 8. So, negative siya. So, negative. Tapos, yung x squared, 9 of 6. So, plus. Kasi, plus 9 siya. 3x squared. Ang natira is 16. Minus 16x. Over x cubed minus 2 squared. Okay, so that is the quotient rule. Okay, so example number 1. So applying the chain rule, so let u, ito yung u to the u. Okay, so derivatives sa u, 3u squared kasi minus 1 siya. Tapos derivatives dito, multiply sa 2x 2, then 2 minus 1, that is 1 na lang, and then minus 4. Okay, so multiply natin yung 3 dito, so 6x minus 12, 3 times 4, that is 12. So ang u natin is ito, no? So copy ang u, tapos squared. Okay, so yan ang answer. So example number 2. So ano ito? That is, apply natin ang quotient rule. Huh? So ano yung quotient rule? Ito ay F, ito ay J. Huh? So ang quotient rule, that is J, yung derivative sa F with respect to X, minus F derivative sa J with respect to X over J squared. Okay, ito yung F, ito yung J. So ang J natin is ito, so 2 minus 4x squared, derivative sa F. Ano yung derivative sa F? So 3 times ito 0, no? That is negative 3 times 5x to the cube, squared. Okay, over minus, copy ito ang F, cube, and then derivative sa J. So ito ang derivative sa J. So negative 2 times 4, that is 8, x minus 1, so x na lang, over 2 minus 4 x squared kasi yung formula. Okay, so 3 times 5, that is negative 15 x squared, multiply sa 2 minus 4 x squared, tapos so negative, that is positive 8x, multiply sa 1 minus 5x cubed over 2 minus 4x squared exponent of 2. Okay, baba natin. So multiply natin 15 times 2, that is negative 30 x squared. 15 times 4, that is positive 60, x to the fourth. Okay, x 2 and 2, that is plus, so plus 4. So 8x times 1 plus 8x negative 8 times 12, that is 40, x 4 over 2 4x squared. Okay, so i-arrange natin. So x to the 4th, x to the 4th, there's 60 minus 40, that is 20 x 4. Next is squared minus 30, tapos plus 8x over baba natin, baba. Over 2 squared. Okay, so yan ang answer natin. Oh, very simple lang siya. Okay, other example. Okay, so derivative sa square root of x cubed plus 8. Okay, so ano yung i-rewrite natin? So square root, that is x cubed, naging 1/2. Kasi square root, that is 1/2. Okay, so let u natin is x cubed plus 8. Okay, so naging u to the 1/2. Okay, kasi u, so 1/2. So derivative sa u, that is 1/2. U to the 1/2 minus 1. Okay, and then derivative sa u, so that is 3x minus 1, that is squared. 2h, that is 0. So 3x squared over 2, kasi 1/2. Ang u natin is, ano ang u? X cubed plus 8. And then 1/2 minus 1, that is negative 1/2. Okay, so pag negative 1/2, so di pwede negative yung exponent, so ibaba natin. So 3 over 2 x squared, baba natin, so square root of x cubed plus 8. Okay, so kung may exponent ganin sa baba, that anong gagawin natin? So, multiply to, same pa rin na, x cube plus 8, multiply sa x cube plus 8. Okay? So, 0, 1 pa rin yan. So, 3x squared square root of x cube plus 8 over, so 1 half and 1 half, so 1, so 2, so nawala na yung square root, no? So yan ang answer natin. Okay.